What's up, guys? Let's go on the Beto. Yeah. Okay, so right now we have Meme and my uncle. We're gonna slap on the bed. Let me turn. I slap on the bed already. I talked to JP Lucky's. You guys that are from here know who I'm talking about. So we're gonna take it to him tomorrow. Right now we're putting it on the bed. We're gonna take it to him tomorrow. He's gonna look over it. I already told him all stuff wrong with it. He's gonna install a whole fuel cell system, fuel lines, everything. E85, like fuel flex, fuel pump, all that good stuff. So we can go 85 because I do have the injectors that have been installed that are flex fuel since the longest time. Well, hopefully they are from when I bought from the guy I bought them from, right? But right now we're gonna pull the truck out. I mean, it's only me and my friend. My uncle got surgery, so we can't. Excuse me. We can't. All three of us pick it up. Like me and my friend can pick it up, but we can't move it around. We can just kind of like go one direction. My uncle's gonna bring his car. We're gonna pull it up front, try to back it up to line up to the box. That way we just pick it up and just straight on the Sierra. So right now I'm just gonna put the camera down. I'm gonna put it on time lapse, so that way you guys can watch us like struggle as we try to get it on there. But yeah, I just need, once we get the bed on, we'll bolt it on. Then I'll put one seat so that way my friend can drive it tomorrow. We got the bed and we're gonna bolt it on and everything, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's pretty much already in place. It was a bitch with two people, but yeah. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. Just waiting on my uncle to get back with Meme. I just need it's so weird seeing it with a bed. It's been like this so long. We just need we're just gonna zip tie the lights to the sides. We're not really gonna connect them. And just gonna, no tailgate, we're just gonna pull it like that, and then we're gonna take Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. This piece of shit. Look at that. So the guy's already here. We were waiting for him. We're gonna talk to him real quick, see what we need done and pricing and stuff. But yeah, we're gonna leave it here. We already talked to him. We're gonna go eat right now, and then I'll talk to you guys like stuff that we're gonna get fixed and out of the way. All right, we're back home already. So pretty much, he's gonna put the 15-gallon fuel cell, a black one. All the fuel lines, E85 compatible fuel lines, the thicker ones. He's gonna put a fuel regulator. Pretty much get it running. He's probably gonna change the pigtails on the injectors because the ones I had were kind of shady. But just to get it turned on and running, and that's as of right now, that's what we're gonna do. Once he gets it turned on, he's probably gonna retune it just to get because the injectors, when I slapped them on, I never got a retune, so they were just like they were already throwing out like maximum. since stock ones I used to have were already on max. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'm gonna try to upload more as soon as it's running. Trust me, I'll get back out there to give you guys like the racing videos and stuff like that. But yeah, sorry for making you guys wait. Hopefully I get to upload more, but see you guys later.